a pendulum, a divining tool. It's used for scrying for information. How do you use it? It doesn't tell you anything you don't already know. It just removes the obstacle of self-consciousness, the mind, from getting in the way of subconscious feedback, the nerve impulse or the intuitive aspect of being in form that tells you this will work, this won't work. So what do? The simplest way? Use a yes-no direction. Choose if you want it to circle right for yes. That's me telling it right for yes without doing anything, and it's circling right for me clockwise, and left or counterclockwise for no. And you just wait for that no. And there it is, a reverse direction. So if you don't know if something's right for you, you can take your necklace off, if it has a pendant, and you can just hold it and let it be the pendulum for you to divine what's right for you. Is this a yes situation or a no?